In front of me is AGM Mobile Smart Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. If suggestion strip is disabled, you need to access device's settings, scroll all the way down and click on System. Then tap on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now after accessing text correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to turn it off or on. So when I activate it and go back, I can see that it's visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!